Hey, this is the Meerkat in with freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Here today to talk about a death hook. This may not be something you've experienced before, but if you have, you feel like you have got caught in a trap. So let's talk about a trade that we had this morning on VRX. Now VRX had been running up, and up. We'd made several long trades on it, and then it kind of topped out here, and now it's forming a descending triangle while the broad markets were pulling back. So this is a bearish formation. You'd want to be setting a trade down here. But what happened? Let's see what happened next. And boom, 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 it shot up out of there. And so some people may have went ahead and gone long. And so, but it's right here at the 50 moving average. I had my entry just above that. It had to get above the 50 moving average for me to want to go long in this day trade. And then what happened? And then went kabam. Now look at this. It was in a bearish pattern. It broke out from there. And then what happened? Look at this. Bam, 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 bam. And what happened to volume? Look what happened to volume. It was not that high of volume on the breakout, but on the breakdown, higher volume. This is what we call a death hook, where it kind of head fakes you out, and then it goes the opposite direction on higher volume. And so I did get here. I got long here at 107.24, and immediately set a stop up here just above this 107.50 area. Because of this strong support line could now be resistance. And we'll just go ahead and see how the rest of the trade turned out. Now here, look at that, it's low basing here at the 106.50. 107.50, this long low base, now 106.50. So I pull my stop down here to break even, and let's see what happens next. Bam, look at that, drop down here to 105.50. So I immediately bring my stop down here about just above the 106.50 line, because what was support could now be resistance, right? And there, popped out right there, and it got me out at 106.52 for plus 0.6% in 12 minutes. But this death hook can happen either to the long side or the short side, in that it breaks out from pattern, and you may even have gone long there, and then suddenly it goes the opposite direction on higher volume. We call that a death hook. So if you did get in long here, the thing is that we always use a stop to minimize our risk if it does turn around on us. That's one way to protect yourself if you went long. I was just waiting for it to break above the 50. It never did, but I was ready to go short here from this previous area. This is the Meerkat. Hey, with all the volatility in the market, you just have to remember this. If price is king and volume is queen, then volatility must be the joker. Trade well.